Hey guys, welcome to yet another AI ML tutorial. And in this particular video, we're going to talk about the Ollama CLI or how you can set up the Ollama into your own native terminal. So without wasting much time, let us understand the flow and see what it basically is. So the Ollama CLI is the command line layer which is used to download, run, and manage large language models or LLMs locally on your machine. So it operates across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, thus sending commands straight to the underlying Ollama background services instead of the wrapper or the desktop application that we see right here. So I will be teaching you how you can start sessions, how you can download the same, how you can set up the same. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is visit the ollama.com website, and from here you can see this particular page. Then from the page, click onto this profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, and then click onto the download button. Now within the download, simply select your operating system. By default, the operating system using which you are visiting this website will be selected, which in my case is Windows. So if you've got the Mac OS or Linux, you can simply switch to the same. So I will be choosing Windows as I am on Windows. Now all you will need to do is simply paste this particular command into your Windows PowerShell. So for that, go to the search bar at the bottom and type in PowerShell, and you will see the Windows PowerShell. From here, simply right click over to the Windows PowerShell or simply click onto this Run as Administrator, and if prompted, you need to allow it by clicking on Yes. Then once you are inside your administration escalated Windows PowerShell, simply paste the command. You can simply use your right mouse key, or if you're on the laptop, the right click of your trackpad, and the command will be successfully pasted. Now, once you have the command pasted onto your Windows PowerShell line, simply hit the enter button and let it do its job, and it will basically take a pull of the instance or download the Ollama for Windows from their server. As you can see within this screen that the download has successfully started, and currently it is at 0.0%. So basically it has started, but it is currently not proceeding. So you can see now it has process with 0.1%. I think that is due to the very poor internet connection that I am currently facing. So I'll just wait for this download process to get finished, and I'll then show you the rest of the things on how you can navigate it out, launch it, and much more. So let us wait for the same. So after a couple of minutes, the Ollama has been successfully downloaded to a full 100%. And after the download process has finished, you will see this message which will say installing Ollama. So yes, once the download has successfully finished, the installation will begin. It might take a few minutes in order to install the Ollama, and then you will be ready to launch the instance of the Ollama and connect it with your models and start working onto the same. So let us wait for the installation as well. And once the installation finishes, I will just resume the video again. Okay, so the installation has also been completed, and once the installation will be completed, you will see this message which says install complete, run Ollama for the command line. So now let us try it out by typing in Ollama, make sure the spelling is correct, and then hit the enter button, and Ollama will launch in no time. And here you can see, once you type in Ollama, the first thing that you see is the Ollama version, which is the current version of 0.31.1. And then you have these options. The first one is to chat with a model. So you can start an interactive chat with any particular model like the Opus, the Sonnet, or even the GPT models as well, or the Google Gemini 3.1 Flash as well. Then we have the launch code, that is Anthropic's coding tool with its subagents. We have this launch codex app, which is currently not installed. So it will also show you which particular apps are installed and which are not installed. As in my case, I already have the cloud code, so it does not say the not installed, but I do not have the codex currently, so it says no, currently Codex is not installed. Then we have the launch Hermes agents. So if you wish to launch Hermes, you can install the same as well using this. And for OpenClaw, we have this option as well. Apart from that, if you will scroll more down, you will see more options like the Hermes desktop, launching Codex, launch the Copilot CLI, launch OMP, Klein, Droid, Pi, and Code as well. For Code, we have already made some of the videos in which I have shown the same as well. So yes, using this, you can choose any of them and then it is all set and you can explore the same on your own. So this was basically it about downloading and, you know, setting up the Ollama for onto your command line interface. And that was all for this particular video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know in the comments, or any particular insights that you have, do let us know in the comments as well. And apart from that, do make sure that you like this video and also share it with any of your friends or family who are trying out new AI agents, or especially are reading about this particular field or studying it. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.